AI godfather, Geoffrey Hinton has departed Google with a cautionary note. The 75-year-old researcher claims he now deeply regrets his contributions to the field of AI. The godfather of AI, Geoffrey Hinton, has announced his departure from Google, highlighting the potential dangers of AI. In an interview with the New York Times, Hinton, 75, expressed sorrow for his role in advancing AI. To top it all off, he told the BBC that the frightening development of dangerously clever AI chatbots is a major concern. "I don't think they've surpassed us in intelligence just yet. But I anticipate that they will soon surpass us in the study of artificial neural networks and deep learning." Hinton is a forerunner in the field. AI programs like ChatGPT are a direct result of his studies. Geoffrey Hinton, a cognitive psychologist and computer scientist from Britain and Canada, believes that chatbots will soon be able to store more knowledge than the human brain. What we're witnessing currently is that GPT-4-style chatbots are light years ahead of human beings when it comes to common sense. They have learned broad thinking but are still not very proficient at it. And if their progress continues at this pace, they'll be in even better shape in no time. So there is cause for concern. Article by Dr. in the New York Times. Hinton also cautions about bad guys who use AI for nefarious ends. He elaborated on the topic a little by telling the BBC, "If the situation is worst, then it can happen. Just imagine if evil men like Vladimir Putin of Russia gave autonomous robots the power to make their own decisions and pursue their own agendas. At some point, that motivation shifts to, 'I want more power.' Unlike human intellect, the kind of artificial intelligence we're building is very different from our own," Hinton added. "We are living systems made up of cells, and they are computer networks. The ability to duplicate data numerous times is a major advantage of digital systems. Individually, these replicas may advance their expertise, and together, they can rapidly disseminate that information. If your team has 10,000 members and one of them acquires new knowledge, the others will pick it up quickly. That's how these chatbots learn to outsmart human beings." Dr. Hinton noted that there are further causes for resignation. "I should probably retire now since I'm 75 years old. Furthermore, I'd like to offer a compliment about Google. That would be more convincing if I weren't checking Google right now." The scientist maintains that he is not criticizing Google, rather, Google is a very responsible firm, in his view. "We are committed to the responsible use of AI," said Jeff Dean, Google's chief scientist. "Each day brings new insights into the kinds of dangers that might be wrought, and we never stop innovating."